Intersecting chord theorem proof. So the first thing I would like to speak about is we have two chords, the red chord and the green chord. Now they intersect at the point P. So the first thing I would ask to think about is when we are looking at intersecting chords, for us to prove it, I'm going to just turn them both into triangles. Now we know that we've got a vertically opposite angles right here. So I know this angle and this angle are going to be the same. To make it easier, I'm just going to draw my two triangles so we are able to prove it. So at the moment I know this is B, this is P, and this is C. And then I've got my other triangle here that is going to be A, P, and D. Okay, so the first thing I want us to do with our mini triangle here, so we can have a clearer picture of it, I'm just going to flip it. Now I flipped it to help us out. I'm just going to change this small upside down P back to a normal P. That's going to help us. So at the moment, we know both of our angles right here are exactly the same. And I've done it this way because the equation really gets us starting to think about scale factor. They are the same triangles, just one is larger than the other, and we've got the same angle right here for our triangle. So the next thing that we need to be thinking about here is really our understanding of scale factor. And for scale factor, I'm always looking at the length of one side. So I've got P D divided by PC, and that gives me the scale factor of those lengths. So if I also look at that scale factor of my other side, which is PA divided by PB, because the length of my current image divided by the original image, which is a smaller triangle. So now I've got that. Now if I would like to get the fraction gone, I would times both sides, I'll draw it in red here, times both sides by PC, and then I would times both sides by PB, and that gets rid of my denominators, because times and dividing cancels out. So that leaves me with the equation PD. Now P divided by PC times by PC cancels out, so I've got PD times PB, and that is equal to, this cancels out, PA times PC. So this intersecting chord theorem relates straight back to your understanding of scale factor.